This is the weekly check of the urban worm bag and blue worms. Let's see. Yeah. Let's check what we have here. Do have some uneaten food here, apples. There's some mites on here and a maggot, a couple of maggots of some sort. Okay, let's see where the worms are. It's moist. It's very moist. Oh, let me get on the other side here. Looking for some worms. Where'd they all go? Oh, they're diving down. I saw some diving down. Let's see, food-wise. Let's see. Oh, food-wise, they're all in the center here. There's a bunch of them right here. See if I can get them. Looks like they're all on the apple. Well, they're just moving so fast I can't catch any of them. But they're all in the center. There's one that looks like, I don't know if you can see that or not. There's a super duper skinny one. See if I can isolate it. Oh, I probably lost it. It was super skinny. Nope. I lost it. Okay, so they're there. They're still eating their food. They're doing well. I don't think I'm going to feed them this time. They still have plenty of food and bedding for the amount of worms that are in here. If you can see that one. Anyway, so this one looks fine. I will just leave it as is. I don't think it needs any further attention at this time, and we'll check it next week. They're doing well. Thank you for coming on this journey with me.